Tell them I'm doing the righteous. And then frame on it. So that's good. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. He's ready, bro.
Mo, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on, sir.
Higher speed, onye gu. Onye ba, eh? Okowa. Now that fire extinguisher, no onye okowa. Oma kwa me matem. Ogenede. Eh? Onye gu.
A magical piece is coming.
This beautiful project is in God's hands. When something is in God's hands, you know what to expect.
And we are live in Abeokuta, MKO Abiola Stadium to do one scene.
Shout out to Jumbo Studios for putting this together. Expect the unexpected. That's what's up. Onyegu the movie.
You can't just help but always love Zubby Michael. He's good at what he does, and Onyegu the movie is going to be another one entirely with Nancy Isime. Nancy Isime show too is a great one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.